Good morning, everyone. Welcome once again. Today, I am going to show you our room tour. Currently, I am in Fort Lee and my MOS is 92 Alpha. 92 Alpha is logistics specialist, automated logistics specialist. So we are here in Virginia. The MOS is actually 9 weeks. So I'm going to kind of give you a quick room tour because this is just a room tour in Fort Lee, so you can just see how our barracks actually look like. So I'm just going to flip the camera around so you'll be alright. Alright, so here we go. I'm just in my OCP. We're just waiting to go to class later on in the day, but I just figured why not just give everyone a room tour real quick. So here is how it actually looks like if I just step back just a little bit. So that is the entrance right there. On the entrance, we have a few things I just want to show everyone. So over here is just a note from Dr. Martin Luther King. And then we have here the 7 things you have to do to graduate. So it's learn your MOS, pass your ACFT, because we're not doing the APFT anymore. I mean, we have 2 ACFTs. If you fail both, then you do the APFT. Respect your bodies. Don't start relationships. Remember, you are not looking for love. Don't steal. Be professional. Be resilient. Never quit. So over here we have the fire evacuation. If something happens, you know how to get out of the rooms. And then we have 3 wall lockers. We are actually just 2 in this room, but then we have 3. So this one is for my battle buddy, and then this one is mine, and then we have the 3rd one. All we do is we just keep our rucksack and our extra stuff in there. I can quickly show you how it looks like. So that's our rucksack and then our duffel bag. So the 2 of them are here. Mine, they are fixing the rock because this part is not fixed right. If it's not fixed right, when you put it on your back, it's really going to hurt. And inside here we have a lot of gear that we need when we go to the field. So that is it for this particular closet. That's where we keep all of our stuff. And let me just move stuff away real quick. I was holding it. I was trying to do a video on how to show everyone how to ranger roll, but I'll have to figure it out because trying to do it by yourself is a bit harder. And then we have a table here, each one for each of us for studying. And then right here is my bed. So every time, let me close this so you can have a good look. Every time we have to be dressed right. So when you put it, your shoes have to be laid down exactly this way, and your bed has to be exactly this way. Your hospital corner should be on point. And then we are asked to have our laundry bag right here. So this is what I do. I have 2 laundry bags. So I just put this here for display, and then I leave the other one in my closet where I keep all of my dirty clothes. That way I do not have to fool with this all of the time. So that's just a little tip for you. And then over here there is a spare bed, and then here is that of my battle buddies. So the reason there is a space right there and I'm not sleeping there is because of coronavirus. So we've been made to give each other that space. That way we are not breathing on each other. Hence the reason I'm right here. And then we have 2 lamps right there. And then over here we have like a mirror right here. That's me. Hey. And then we have here our air conditioning. For some reason we can't really change this thermostat, just FYI. So it's always on 75. Sometimes if you're lucky it's on 74. So just deal with it as it comes. I wanted to show you my closet, but I still need to get my life together, then I can show you. And over here of course we have our toilet paper, and then we have our towels. Our towels need to be folded this way. It's part of, we are given the guidelines as to how we need to fold our things. I'll see if I can pull out that guideline real quick. Is a military standard way, at least for here in Fort Lee. And then I'll quickly open the drawers so you see. The first one is always going to be your personal items. So I have my personal items here. It's just my Bible and my tape and just a few things that I keep in here. And then this is actually the barcode for our class. So If you have an iPhone, you just scan this barcode, it will pull up all the slides that we are studying. So we finished Alpha module. We are in Bravo module right now. You can download the Bravo module and you can study on your own. If you have Android, like I do, then you'd have to download the barcode app, and then once you scan the barcode, it will pull up the slides for you. And this is how we have to maintain it. So you have your underwear here, you have your PT shorts here, and then you have your PT tops over here, and then over here you have your coyotes. This is what we wear inside our OCPs, and then you have your sports bra right there. This is all standard, and your locker needs to look like this. And then over here I have my waffle top and my waffle bottom. We wear this underneath our clothes when the weather is really cold, but since we've been in Virginia, it's not been that cold, so we just pack it away. And then our towels need to be folded this way. And then over here I have my black socks for my PT shoes, and then I have here my green socks for my boots. Now, this is the green socks the Army issues you when you join, and we have to roll it like this. I'll do a separate video to show everyone how I roll out the socks. It's pretty easy. And then how I ranger roll and all of that good stuff. And then this is a sock actually bought from the PX. This is a lifesaver. When I wear this regular socks, I feel like it stinks. If anybody knows about this, just comment in the comment section. Leave me a comment and let me know. It stinks when your feet sweat. It's just absolutely awful. But this one is almost like a cooling effect. It cools your feet down. I'm wearing one right now. I bought two from the PX. I'm wearing one right now, and then I have one in here. I will get more before I leave because honestly it's a lifesaver. And when I get it, I'll take a picture of it and then I'll post it on my Instagram if anybody wants to know which brand it is and what it really looks like. So really, for the most part, this is how the room looks like. And over here at the study desk, it does have this locker in case you want to keep stuff in it. I personally don't keep anything in here. And then we have this right here. So basically that's how the room looks like. It's very, very simple. We always have to keep it to standard. This morning we actually had a room inspection, so the inspector makes sure that you're doing everything the way you should be doing it. Besides that, that's it. This is really our morning routine. Every morning we have to keep it a standard because you never know who's going to come by to look into your rooms. And of course, we are still in the corona era, so we are not getting passes to go anywhere or anything of that sort. You just have to remember to keep your mask on if you're in close proximity to anybody. And really that's it. I just want to leave you all with a simple message. Keep hoping for the best. Corona is not, it looks like it's here to stay, but don't think too much about it. Continue to live your life and have a wonderful time. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I have been getting a lot of questions, and I want to sincerely apologize to those whom I couldn't respond in time, being that I'm still in basic and I'm still in AIT. There's still a lot for us to do, but pardon me on that. I'm going to put out a lot of videos. Like literally, you're going to be so tired of seeing videos from me, but I'm not going to stop because there is so much information I want to share, and there are so many things I wish I knew before coming in. But needless to say, I am happy to be here, and I will continue putting up content. Once again, thank you for watching. Queen Sheila out. Bye family. Hope to see you soon.